Christine Hopkins, local author and Galveston expert, and today we're going to take a tour of Galveston's public beaches. Did you know that we have 32 miles of Gulf Coast beaches here on Galveston Island? For our beach tour, we're going to start east and move west. So East Beach, as you can guess, is on the far east end of the island. This beach park has 2 entrances, and if you want to indulge in an adult beverage, this beach park allows alcohol. The pavilion here has food, showers, a covered picnic area, playground, of course volleyball courts, and you can also find beach and chair rentals. This beach park is also home to the Galveston Island horse and pony rides, where you can take a ride along the beach on horseback. Next up, we're at Stuart Beach. Stuart Beach is considered one of the top 10 family beach parks by Family Vacation Critic. Here at this beach pavilion, you'll find complimentary Wi-Fi, showers, food, and also a covered picnic area. Plus, they have volleyball courts and a playground. Nearby, you'll find Galveston helicopters to take you on an aerial tour of Galveston. So we've made our way to Seawall Boulevard, and here's a tip. Between 7th and 75th Street, you'll find beach concessionaires scattered throughout. It's a convenient way to rent your umbrella and chairs, and that'll save you the hassle of having to bring your own beach gear down to the beach. Here's another tip. If you want to try stand-up paddleboarding or surfing, Gulf Coast SUP is located between 29th and 25th Street. And also, there's all kinds of local companies that offer surfing lessons. Lastly, here's my big tip for you. Park near a bathroom. The City of Galveston offers stainless steel bathrooms on 19th, 29th, 39th, 45th, and 61st Street. So it'll make it super easy for you and the family. On the west end of the island, all along FM 3005, you'll find public access points for the beach. Just look for those signs, turn toward the beach, and look for public parking. Here's a tip. Just west of Delanera Park, there's more than 30 public access points for the beach. On the west end of the island, you're going to find so many great little beach communities. Look for Beachside Village, Sunny Beach, Jamaica Beach, Pirates Beach, Sea Isle, and Point West. Grab your sunblock, your swimsuit, and your favorite sunglasses and find your new spot to unwind. Thank you for joining me for this quick tour of Galveston's beaches. Remember to take advantage of Gulf Coast Concierge to arrange for your own private umbrella and chair rentals, as well as golf carts.
Remember to book your vacation rental early with Ryson Real Estate and Vacation Rentals. Ryson offers vacation homes all over the island, including beachfront houses and condos with great views of the beach. Be sure to like and subscribe to our page for more walkthrough videos and all things vacationing on Galveston Island.